These baking sheets have really become the ultimate kitchen essential for my home. The Nordic Ware Naturals aluminum commercial half sheet pan not only are fantastic for making cookies, roasting vegetables, or preparing a family-size sheet pan dinner, this is perfect. I love how huge they are because I can fit so many cookies on here. Not only is it a smarter way to bake and cook, but it saves me so much time because of how big these half sheet pans are. These are also made right here in the US, which I really appreciate. And the pan is crafted from pure aluminum, which makes it have this great durability and even helps with heat distribution when items are cooking on there. No hot spots, there's no warping, really literally just perfectly bakes these cookies each and every single time. I also really appreciate that these are very easy to clean, which again makes it a must-have for both home cooks and professional bakers. I also love that this comes in a 2-pack so that I can get one sheet of cookies in the oven while I'm prepping the second one. Again, just saves me so much time and make sure that my cookies are perfect every single time. I would highly recommend these Nordic Ware Naturals aluminum half sheet pans. I not only have 2, but I've purchased these 3 times, so I now have 6, and I will continue to use these to bake cookies every single time I bake. Highly recommend.